There's something we all face as we get older. Fashion starts to feel tricky. When I first saw Sophie Fontanel wearing sneakers, I thought, wait, really? Sneakers after 60? But the more I looked, the more I realized that she's breaking the rules we think we should follow, especially when it comes to age and style. Today, I'm going to share with you how Sophie Fontanel, a woman over 60, found the perfect way to style sneakers and why it could completely change the way you think about your wardrobe. But here's the thing, there's one big challenge most of us face when it comes to sneakers, and Sophie found the solution. Here's the real issue. We've been taught that sneakers are for the young, the trendy, the too casual for my age. And maybe you've been frustrated by trying to balance comfort with looking chic. You've wondered, is it even possible to wear sneakers without feeling frumpy? That's where Sophie Fontanel steps in. When I saw her effortlessly styling sneakers, it blew my mind. But this is interesting. It's not just what she wears with sneakers, it's how she does it. By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly how to take something as simple as sneakers and transform them into the ultimate timeless chic accessory, even if you're over 60. I'll reveal the only one thing you need to know to make sneakers look stylish, not sloppy. So we need to know, how does Sophie make it work? When Sophie decided to stop dyeing her hair and let her natural gray grow out, it wasn't just about her hair, it was about owning her style. This attitude carries over to the way she styles sneakers. For her, it's not about trying to look younger or trying to follow every trend. It's about combining comfort with elegance, and that's exactly why she's mastered the art of sneakers. Let me walk you through this. She often wears classic white sneakers. Simple, right? But here's where the magic happens. She pairs them with slouchy, oversized, and wide silhouettes. Think loose-fitting, wide-leg pants or flowy skirts, paired with an oversized top or sweater. It might sound casual, but here's the key. Sophie always defines her silhouette through subtle details like a tucked-in top, an underlined waist, or layered pieces that highlight her figure. The balance between structured elegance and casual comfort is bold, unexpected, and totally timeless. The real secret? Confidence. Sophie knows she doesn't need to look done up to feel stylish. She chooses comfort without ever sacrificing that effortless French chic we all admire. Now, let's talk about how you can make this work for you. The perfect hack? Stick to neutral colored sneakers, white, gray, beige, they go with everything. Pair them with tailored pants or a classic trench coat. Want to go bold? Try wide leg pants with an oversized sweater, but make sure to tuck in the top or add a belt to highlight your waist, just like Sophie. It's all about creating balance between comfort and structure. And here's the best part. Sophie shows us that sneakers aren't just for the young. They're for anyone who wants to embrace comfort without sacrificing style. When you think of sneakers, they shouldn't just be your go-to for running errands. With the right approach, they can become the most versatile piece in your wardrobe. I'm going to show you exactly how to make sneakers look timelessly chic. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive into some Sophie-inspired outfit ideas you can easily recreate right now. Start with neutrals. Pair a gray blazer with black leather wide leg pants, a gray pullover, and matching gray sneakers. or keep it classic with black wide-leg trousers, a crisp white shirt, and white sneakers for an effortlessly cool vibe. Personally, I love the combination of a striped sweater, black wide pants, and brown sneakers. It adds a touch of contrast while staying chic. For something a bit softer, try a beige blazer with a cute blouse, washed blue jeans, and gray kicks for a casual yet polished look. You'll notice that Sophie often gravitates towards denim, bulky outerwear, and oversized accessories. She mixes oversized pieces with slimmer, more structured items, creating a perfect balance. Sophie also incorporates bright touches and prints to showcase her individuality. These sleek details allow her to stand out, making simple everyday items feel unique. She's truly a master at taking basic pieces and adding her personal twist, transforming them into something special. I'm always amazed at how she makes even the simplest outfits feel so individual and full of personality. Make a bold statement with bright multicolored sneakers paired with a black tank top and denim jacket for a casual yet striking look. For a monochrome vibe, team a white graphic print tee with black pants, white sneakers, a black blazer, and top it off with a black baseball cap. For something cool and laid back, try a striped sweater with wide-leg jeans, stylish sneakers, and a pair of shades. A classic blouse works perfectly with dark brown pants and sneakers, or switch things up with a cozy turtleneck sweater. If you love bright looks, fuchsia pants paired with a black roll neck, black and white blazer, and trendy kicks will definitely stand out. Another sleek outfit, a trench coat over gray pants, a white shirt, and a black sweater vest. It's neutral, refined, and effortlessly chic. Play with neutrals by opting for a relaxed V-neck sleeveless sweater layered over a crisp white shirt, paired with light beige wide-leg pants, and finishing the look with cool brownish sneakers. Wide denim pants styled with a white shirt, dress and sneakers is another great option for a relaxed yet fashionable look. Or try a neutral outfit with a roll neck sweater, black pants, white sneakers and a grey wool coat. For a subtle pop of color, pastel violet pants paired with a black top, black blazer and white kicks create a fresh, elegant look. Alternatively, go with a black jacket, white tee, and grey pants for something more understated. Want to experiment with prints? Pair printed pants with a classic shirt and a beige-brown jacket for a mix of fun and sophistication. Or try wide brown pants with a striped shirt, green cardigan and hiking sneakers for a cozy outdoorsy feel. For a playful touch, go with a leopard print coat, blue shirt, white jeans and brown sneakers. It's a fun mix of prints and textures. And why not try black pants with a white waistcoat, grey blazer and chunky sneakers for an unexpected twist? If you're in the mood for something vibrant, red-orange pants with a black turtleneck, black blazer and white kicks will turn heads. That's it, check this video for timeless old money fall looks.